Finding a somewhat even stance, step your right foot forward far enough that you can bend both knees easily and it doesn't bug out the back foot. And then slowly start to bend the back knee and the front knee. And the back knee should go straight down-ish, right, depending on the foot, okay? And do this a few times, going slowly up and down. If you go down too far and you can't get back up, don't go down that far. Easy as that. Just try it out and make it work for you. And then come back to an even stance. Step the other foot forward. You might have to step it further or maybe a little bit closer. And then the wobbling, you can move, let's say it's the left foot, right? Move the left foot a little to the left so it's in front of your hip. This will also help you from wobbling. Might make it easier to bend the hip too. So try it out, all right? Different widths, different lengths. And step back to an even stance. Step your right foot forward, turn the hips out a little bit, and flatten the foot, the back foot, so that your toes are pointed away from you a little bit. So it doesn't have to be parallel to anything. Just make sure you can bend the front knee easily as I am here, and do that a few times. And then place your right elbow or forearm on the thigh and reach the left arm overhead. Try to get a nice long diagonal there. And then hands to hips and move your weight onto the front foot to step forward. You're going to step the right foot back, and you'll see what I mean. So you might not be able to turn the toes all the way out to the side. You just want to be able to bend the front knee easily with your hips pointed a little bit to the side, okay? It doesn't have to be any mathematical equation. You're trying something out that's possibly new, okay? And then bring the forearm to the thigh and get a nice long reach from the back foot all the way up the arm and the fingers and all that stuff. Come back up, hands on the hips, step forward and pause. And then again, so come back to an even-ish stance. Step your left foot back, so now your right knee is forward, and bring the left knee slowly to the earth. From here, reach the arms up and make sure the back knee is comfortable. Turn the hands forward. Bring the arms behind you, leaning the weight forward, keeping the spine long, and then coming back up again. Moving forwards and back a few times. If this is new, just do it in the easy segmented shapes. If it's not so new, you can flow the arms a little bit. Just make sure you pause and you know where you are, lifting the shoulders at the end there, reaching through the fingertips. Bring hands to hips. Slowly raise the back knee. This isn't the easiest move, especially on sand. And then step forward. The other leg, step it back. Slowly bring yourself down to the earth, trying to slam your knee into the earth, right? That's not going to hurt. I mean, ha ha ha. Turn the palms forward, bring the arms straight up ahead, and then lean forward as you reach forwards and back, keeping the arms long. And then again, go through it the same set, right? Even if you did end up flowing, do some straight and then do the flow thing if it feels okay on your neck and everything. Don't forget to pause on the last one. Extend from shoulders to fingertips, and then hands to hips. Keep the spine long and slowly raise the back knee up, stepping forward. All right. From here, again, left foot back, hands to heart. Slowly twist over the right thigh. You can also put your left hand on the ground or a block and reach your right arm into the air. You don't have to do this twist and hook the elbow thing. If it doesn't work out for you, don't worry about it. And then bring the chest up, look forward slowly, step forward, and then prepare to do the other side. Reach up, step back slowly, land lightly. Bring hands to heart. Slowly twist. It's easiest for me on the exhale to twist. If you're going to hook the elbow over, try to get space across the front of your chest. If you're using the floor or a block or something like that, same thing, but you'll have an arm so you can reach it up, right? You get some height that way. Slowly step forward. Try to be as smooth as possible. Weight forward. And then pause to breathe. Thanks for trying.